Welcome back to accounting section once again. Today we will solve one full problem based on addition of a partner. So we will frame one question first. X and Y are partners. Sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as on 31st April 2018 was as follows. Furniture 20,000, cash 10,000, stock 40,000, debtors 40,000. So this is the balance sheet of the X and Y partners. Now on the above date, they decided to admit Z as a new partner on the following terms. First, he has to bring rupees 30,000 as capital and rupees 10,000 for goodwill. The assets and liabilities were revalued as follows. machinery, $45,000, furniture, $18,000, there was a bad debt of rupees 1,000. So this is the problem, and we will solve one full problem based on addition of the partner. So the question is given here: X and Y are partner sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. They had with their balance sheet as on 31/3/2018 was as follows: liabilities less capital 35,000, Y capital 45,000, credit 30,000, machinery 40,000, furniture 20,000, cash 10,000, stock 40,000, debtors 40,000. So both sides total is 1,50,000, 1,50,000. On our award date, we decided to admit Z as a new partner on the following terms. First, he has to make rupees 30,000 as capital and rupees 10,000 for goodwill. B, the assets and liabilities were revalued as follows: machinery is revalued at 45,000, furniture 18,000, and there was a debit of rupees 1,000. So we will begin with a simple problem and go on solving complex problems as well in due course of time. So let us solve this problem now. Solution: first, we are supposed to prepare revaluation account. So revaluation account, you will see, you will prepare from here. So machinery is revalued at 45,000. In balance sheet it was 40,000. So there is a increase of rupees 5,000 in machinery. So machinery rupees 5,000. Second is furniture. It's revalued at 18,000, and in the balance sheet it is 20,000. So there is decrease of rupees 2,000 to furniture. There is a decrease of 2,000, and there was a bad debt of rupees 1,000. So there is a decrease in debtors. Bad debts means bad debts 1,000. So 5,000, 3,000, 2,000 is the profit to X capital. 2,000 into 3 by 5. 540 is the 1,200 to X, to Y capital. 2,000 into 2 by 5. 800. So the revaluation profit of rupees 2,000, which has to be distributed among X and Y as per the profit sharing ratio, and the profit sharing ratio is 3:2. So let's prepare the next account. This is the first account, revaluation account. Then you are supposed to prepare partners capital account. Here we will first prepare the capital account under fluctuating capital method. So first we will see how much is the balance of X and Y in the previous year. Balance gone down. So the capital account was showing a balance of X is showing 75,000 and Y is showing how much 45,000, which was carried forward from the last year. It has been transferred to this year. So X capital is 75,000 and Y capital is 45,000. And Z is a new partner and he is bringing how much 30,000 as capital by cash. Since he is a new partner, by cash. So next, X and Y are entitled to revaluation profit by revaluation account. So how much profit X is getting? 1200. Y is getting 800. And Z is new partner, we will be not having share in that. Next is buy premium on goodwill. Premium for goodwill. So the new partner should compensate the old partners for the ratio sacrificed towards the share of new partner. So he is bringing 30,000 as capital and rupees 10,000 for goodwill. So goodwill is nothing but compensation for sacrifice of ratio by the old partners towards the share of new partner. So this goodwill amount should be transferred or given to old partners as per their sacrifice ratio. If sacrifice ratio is not given, it is implied that old profit sharing ratio will be sacrifice ratio. Okay. So because they will be sacrificing in the old ratio only. So here premium for goodwill 10,000 should be given at 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 6,000 and 4,000. So now this balance is 75 plus 6, 81, 82,200. 45 plus 4, 49,800. And his capital account is 30,000. So two balance carried down. 82,200. 49,800 and 30,000. Then now we will prepare the new balance sheet. New balance sheet. New balance sheet. Liabilities. Amount. Assets. Amount. So X capital now will be 82,200. In the last balance it was 75,500. After making adjustment it has become 82,200. Y capital 49,800. And Z capital. So new balance sheet will include the new partner as well. So 30,000. Creditors, it has no change. So it remains as it is 30,000. So let us see on the asset side now. First was machinery. Machinery was 40,000. Now in revaluation there is a increase of 5,000 in the value of machinery. So you should show 45,000. It is revalued at 45,000. Furniture was 20,000. There is a decrease of 2,000 in the value of furniture. So furniture becomes 18,000. You should consider revalued assets. So next is cash. Cash will not change. It will change, but see here 10,000 was the cash. Now 10,000 was the cash, and the new partner is bringing 30,000 for capital and 10,000 for goodwill. Now the total cash you have is 10 plus 30, 30 plus 10, 10 plus 30, 40, 40 plus 10, 50,000. Next, stock. There is no change in the stock. It has not increased, not decreased. Debtors minus bad debts, 40,000 minus 1,000. So let us see now. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 8 plus 2, 10. 3 plus 9, 12. 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 3, 16, 16 plus 3, 19. 1,92,000. Here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 9 plus 8, something, something plus 5, 22. 2, 6, 7, 7 plus 5, 4 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 3, 19. So both sides tallied 1,92,000 and 1,92,000. So this is how we are supposed to solve the problems based on admission of a partner. First we will prepare revaluation account, then we will prepare partner's capital account. In partner's capital account we show what are the balances of the old partner, then the cash got by the new partner in the form of cash, so as capital. Then revaluation property penny on the credit side, if loss any on the debit side of the old partners. Then premium on goodwill 6,000 and 4,000. 10,000 was the goodwill. Actually it should be distributed according to the sacrifice ratio, but if sacrifice ratio is not given, old ratio will become what? Sacrifice ratio. So then whatever is the balance, that should be carried forward, balance carried down, and then we are supposed to prepare the new balance sheet. In new balance sheet we will show the change in the capital of X, change in the capital of Y, and the capital of new partner Z, and then later if we can get there, subtract that and write. If there is no change, write it as it is. Machinery there is change, so added and written. Here it is decreased, subtracted, and cash you should add the capital of new partner and goodwill amount got by the new partner. Then stock, no variation. Debtors 1,000 is deducted as debtors. So in my next session we will see one more problem based on admission of a partner.